Hamar ka khapngiah palat ka Shillong District Jail ka Sorkar jala lengba ka office with Inspector General of Prison menta kala pangkhre na menta mat shna no dak Central Jail ban weng no ikate ki chinge kumbalong menta ki koidi ki bodan Shillong District Jail ki don hadu South Park propinyot bat tam laisha na ka balamang chaka kata shispa an propinyot yakani la pentep du ba em kharkrang Inspector General of Prison hak jingelang man palat pa ba sandli kalikit koidi ni ki UTP Shillong District Jail hak janmi ka Sautrik kula lengkot ajar puar long ba Shillong District Jail kalong sya ka khapngiah ba kimla ban le ai namar mdan chaka ta kumbai pat henry saudan ba chaka ban tei Central Jail layo ka ba he absan akar but shen sedang no ek chingtei.
The thing is, it's not that we are making preparation only because of this third wave. This preparation has been going on right from the first time when we were hit by COVID, and a lot of the measures, of course, when things had improved and we had started to allow the inmates to meet with their relatives, not because it had been a long time that I have not been able to meet up with the relatives. And if things worsen, probably we'll have to close that down also. But the thing is now, one facility that we have given to all the inmates is that they can communicate with their relatives and their loved ones now anytime that they wish to on mobile. If telephone is not working, then definitely on mobile. 487. There is overcrowding, I don't deny the fact. Trying to completion of the Shillong District Jail and setting up the Central Jail, and these are the long-term measures that we are taking up. But as long till the time that these new jails come up, then we'll have to bear with it.
What should be the actual span?
167. You see, the thing is, we wanted to change our perception of jails, and because you see, the thing is, most of the time our people inside, they have just from morning to evening till they go back to their cells, they're literally idle, okay, and they have nothing to do. And once they leave come out on bail or probably after the conviction, there's nothing, there's no employment opportunities for them. And that is because they have been lingering here for a very, very long time. And so we thought that at least let them have certain activities which will help them once they come out of their prison. Government is very keen on coming out very shortly, and we do hope that it's a matter of time. But of course, building that kind of infrastructure will take quite a long time, and we hope that will come out shortly. But of course, now the first thing that what they have done is that at least the minute we sent a proposal, government has keenly taken up, and they have given us 25 acres of land. So that itself indicates that government is very keen on getting the Central Jail set up. You see, the thing is, construction work will start only after the master plan has been done. And we had visited these good central jails outside, along with the architects from PWD, Chief Architect PWD, and looking at the good things good practices and the good things that they have over there. And though, of course, we are not going to implement on the scale that they are going, but probably on a smaller scale. The whole idea of having a central jail is that convicts will be segregated from the UTPs. That's the whole idea.
Hashwakani la plaj pa ba sandli ki kalikit koidi ni ki UTP hak jingeran lang President of Police ka East Castle District ba nong tnger harangkat lang ba bibek sim ubare President of Police City.
We want to change the approach of the prison department towards the inmates. So now we are trying to reform that and make it a more human approach. So first of all, what we have done is we have set up our motto of the prison department as changing life through corrective steps or corrective measures. And the second thing is that we have initiated this skill development, and this is with the support of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, and they will be starting off with Shillong District Jail, where they will be teaching the inmates in various skills like soap making, tailoring, food processing, agriculture, computer training also. And this is not that has been imposed on the inmates, but we have asked them if they want to be trained in any of the skill development. So we will be willingly impart to them the training. And subsequently also we are also looking at placing them in various employment agencies, not after they have left the prisons. And the third thing that we have done is that we are tying up with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. There's a program called this Parivartanam Prison to Pride, and we will be launching that probably in January 26th, where various sports activities will be, coaching will be given to all the inmates as per the discipline that they would like to be imparted. And a lot of them have come forward and they said a lot of them they want to be imparted with the various coachings like carom board and football, volleyball, all these kind of things. Not so we are tying up this with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And the third thing is that, like what we have done is for any reformation, the first and foremost I feel is that the nomenclature of the department has to also change. So what we have done is we have written to the government to change the name of the prisons department from prisons department to prisons and correctional services. And hopefully government will be coming out with notification. As far as I know, the approval has been given, and shortly they will be coming out with the notification. And another thing that we have done is that now we will be imparting training to our warders and all, and especially because they are the ones who are interacting with the inmates on a daily basis. So we are imparting training to them on behavioral changes towards the inmates. And last of all is that we are coming up with these central prisons in a land which has been allotted to us in the New Shillong Township. There's a land of about 25 acres that has been allotted for us, and shortly we'll be coming up with a master plan on this. So these are the few of the steps that we have taken towards police reforms. So we are giving to all, in fact they will be placed at the disposal of the district police, and one of them will be placed at the disposal of the subdivisional police officer, Dadingiri, because they also have a lot of transportation of inmates to Turaj Port.